What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone, which will delete everything and pretty much bring your iPhone back to an out-of-box state. So we're going to go into settings, and first we have to turn off Find My iPhone. So to do that, you have to look at the top on your iCloud account where it says your name, click on that. You will scroll to where it says iCloud. We're going to scroll down and you will see Find My iPhone. Click on that. And right here, you're going to turn that off. Now it's going to ask you for your Apple ID. You're going to have to put that in. So after you put your password in, you will see that Find My iPhone is now turned off. You're going to go all the way back and then go down to General. And you will scroll all the way down till you see Reset. You're going to click on that. Then you will see Reset All Content and Settings. Now remember, this is going to delete everything off your phone, so make sure you have a backup if you do not. So you're going to click on that. It'll tell you, it's uploading stuff. I'm going to hit Erase Now. Now when I do that, it's going to ask me again, do you want to erase everything on your iPhone, because it's going to delete everything. Pretty much bring it back to the state as if you just pulled it out the box. So this is how you do a factory reset on your iPhone. So hopefully you were able to follow along with this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll definitely reply to you. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel so you can learn how to Apple without the E.